What's up guys, thanks for joining me. This is the Orzly Essential Pack for the Nintendo Switch. This pack is a compilation of what we think every Nintendo Switch owner should have. Designed with the Switch's portability in mind, everything we have in this pack fits inside the first thing I'm going to talk about, the carry case. So here it is. It's made from a water-resistant, shock-proof EVA material that's smooth to the touch and looks really beautiful, especially in our new Pokeball-inspired colorway. There are 2 zips and a flexible handle with a nice grip for easy carrying. When you open it up, the first thing you're going to see is the built-in game card holder. It has space for 8 game cards, and that's enough for a great selection when you're on the go, or if you're all digital, it'll fit your microSD cards with ease. The reverse has this soft microfiber material. It's going to be in contact with your screen and it'll make sure that it's protected and that you don't get any scratches. The base has this soft non-abrasive material and is modeled specifically for the Nintendo Switch with recesses on each side to hold the Joy-Cons. The 2 elastic straps will hold your console in place to make sure that it doesn't move around whilst you're traveling. Our top compartment is designed for easy access and maximum capacity. The open top design gives you the flexibility to store what you need when you need it. The Orzly carry case from the Nintendo Switch is a compact case that can hold everything you need while you're gaming on the go. Next up is the tempered glass twin pack. Our screen protector is full adhesive and is made from a special chemically treated reinforced glass. It has an industry-leading 9H hardness. The clarity is superb, and with its high light transmitters, image quality is amazing and the colors are just as vivid as with the bare screen. The screen is edge to edge and the application is super easy and comes with full installation kit and guide. Ultra slim for high touch sensitivity and tempered for your safety, the Orzly screen protector keeps your screen looking like new. If you play your Switch in handheld mode a lot, you may start to feel a strain on your hands, especially during those long play sessions. This is where the Comfort Grip case comes in. Its ergonomic design and granular texture give you a more comfortable grip on your Nintendo Switch, letting you play longer without getting hand cramps or strain. The durable TPU material is shock absorbent, giving you peace of mind when you're out and about with your Nintendo Switch. This case keeps both your console and Joy-Cons scratch-free and protected from the elements. It's got easy access to all the ports and functions thanks to the accurate cutouts, and airflow is unrestricted so your Switch won't overheat from having this case on. As well as cases and screen protectors, our Essential Pack has accessories that we think are necessary, like our USB 3.0 certified cable. It's the perfect backup charging cable. It's USB Type-C to Type-A, so you can use any USB plug to charge your Switch. The games holder gives you a convenient and portable way to carry your game cards, and gives you an additional 4 slots on top of the 8 already available in your case. Dustproof and water resistant, the game card holder will keep your games safe whilst you travel. The Orzly Stylus Pen is a twin-tip pen suitable for writing on paper as well as on your Switch. At one end is a ballpoint pen, and the other is a soft stylus ensuring accurate navigation and control when typing or drawing on your touchscreen. A convenient clip ensures you always have your stylus with you, whether it's attached to the case or a pocket. For the full immersive experience, we've included earbuds. With the great range and clarity, means you'll be able to enjoy the fantastic audio from your favorite games when you're out and about. So there you have it, the Orzly Essential Pack for your Nintendo Switch. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and also follow us on social media for all the latest news and offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.